The night can feel long when sleep does not come. You might be lying in the dark, watching the clock, your mind racing with thoughts. This restlessness is common, but you are not alone. The quiet hours of the night can become a time for gentle healing and peace. This is a journey we can begin together, one soft breath at a time. This space is a sanctuary for you, a place to let go of the pressure to fall asleep. Sometimes the harder we try, the more sleep eludes us. Here we'll invite sleep, not demand it. We'll use simple tools to calm the body and soothe the mind. Imagine your bed as a safe harbor, a place to anchor yourself after a long day. The sheets are cool, the pillow soft, and nothing else is required of you. Your only task is to be present and allow yourself to soften. We'll use affirmations, gentle words to guide your thoughts toward peace. Tonight we'll build a bridge from wakefulness to sleep, step by step. You don't need to rush, each step supports you completely. The goal is not just to fall asleep, but to cultivate a peaceful state that welcomes rest. Let's begin this gentle journey into the quiet of the night. Deep rest awaits you. Take a slow breath, and let's start together.
Your breath is your most powerful tool for calming your nervous system. It's always with you, a steady rhythm anchoring you in the present. When anxious, your breath becomes shallow, signaling alertness. By slowing your breath, you tell your body it's safe to relax. Let's try a simple breathing exercise. Lie comfortably, close your eyes, and place one hand on your chest, the other on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts, feeling your belly rise. Hold for a moment. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 counts, feeling your belly fall. Continue this rhythm. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. With each exhale, release a little more tension. Your shoulders soften, your jaw unclenches, your muscles relax. This is diaphragmatic breathing, one of the most effective ways to shift your body from stress to rest. Deep, slow breaths activate your parasympathetic nervous system, preparing you for sleep. You're not just breathing, you're telling every cell it's time to restore. Let your breath be your anchor. Each inhale brings calm, each exhale lets go of the day. Feel your body responding, growing heavier and more relaxed. This is the foundation of your rest. Now that your breath is calm, let's introduce our first affirmation. As you breathe, gently repeat, "I release my worries." Say it silently or whisper it into the quiet. Imagine each worry as a small stone you've carried all day. With each exhale, let one stone fall away. Feel the lightness as you release them. I release my worries. Watch them drift away, becoming smaller until they disappear. You don't need to solve them now. Trust you can pick them up in the morning if needed, but for now, let them go. This affirmation shifts your focus from clinging to releasing. By repeating, "I release my worries," you redirect your mental energy toward peace. Continue to breathe and repeat the affirmation. Inhale peace, exhale worry. With every breath, feel yourself becoming lighter. The weight on your shoulders dissolves. This simple statement is an act of self-care. Let the day and its concerns fade away. As you release the day's burdens, let's cultivate a feeling of safety. Our next affirmation, "I am safe, I am secure." Feel the truth of these words in this moment. In your bed, you are protected from the outside world. Visualize a gentle light forming around you, a cocoon of safety. With each repetition, see this light grow stronger. It's a barrier no worry can penetrate. This feeling of safety is essential for deep sleep. Our brains are wired to stay alert for danger, but tonight, you can stand down. By affirming your safety, you reassure your mind that all is well. Repeat, "I am safe, I am secure." Feel the words echo in your heart. Your bed is your anchor, your blankets, layers of comfort. In this moment, you have everything you need. You are protected and deeply safe. Let this feeling fill every cell. Surrender to rest. Sleep is welcome here.
You may wonder how breathing and affirmations help you sleep. These are evidence-based tools that change your brain chemistry and neural pathways. Deep breathing calms your nervous system, preparing your body for rest. Affirmations use neuroplasticity. Repeating positive statements forms new, peaceful pathways in your brain. This combination lowers stress hormones and quiets mental chatter, making sleep more natural. You're creating an internal environment where rest can arise easily. As calm settles in, let's add gratitude. Even a small seed of gratitude can bring peace. Repeat, "Gratitude fills my heart tonight." Think of one small thing you're thankful for. Warmth. A kind word. Your breath. Feel the emotion of gratitude in your body. Gratitude fills my heart tonight. This shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's present. Research shows gratitude before bed leads to better sleep. It quiets negative thoughts and boosts relaxation. Let thankfulness be a gentle blanket over you. End your day on a note of positivity.
After releasing the past and feeling gratitude, look to the future with gentle optimism. Sleep anxiety often comes from worrying about tomorrow. Break the cycle with this affirmation. Tomorrow greets me with fresh energy. It's not a demand, but a hopeful intention. Trust your body's ability to restore itself, even with imperfect sleep. Imagine dawn as a gentle invitation, not an alarm. Tomorrow greets me with fresh energy. This reframes morning as a gift, not a consequence. Setting a positive intention reduces sleep dread and eases anxiety. Let go of control and embrace trust. trust that rest will come in its own time. Trust that you'll have the strength to meet tomorrow. Let this be your final comforting thought as you drift into sleep.
A consistent nighttime routine signals your brain it's time to wind down. Simple habits: dimming lights, changing into sleepwear, practicing breathing and affirmations. Build powerful sleep cues. Sound can enhance this routine. Ambient sounds like ocean waves or rain mask disruptions and soothe the mind. Binaural beats, especially theta waves, can encourage deep relaxation. Imagine low lights, a gentle soundscape, and your calming practice. Each element supports the others, creating a synergy for sleep. You're not just hoping for rest. You're creating the ideal conditions for it. Wrap yourself in calm sight, sound, and intention. Let your routine become a nightly invitation to peace. If your mind wanders, gently return to your breath and words. Make this practice your own. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. This nightly appointment is an act of kindness to yourself. Consistency unlocks long-term benefits. Share your journey. Your experience may help someone else. Tonight, as you settle into bed, remember your tools. Start with your breath, whisper your affirmations, and let go of the day. Embrace safety, gratitude, and hope for tomorrow. Allow yourself to answer the call of sleep.
The journey to better sleep is a practice, not a one-time event. Affirmations and breathing are most powerful when part of your nightly ritual. Each night you water the seeds of peace, safety, and gratitude. Over time, these grow into a foundation for restful sleep.